Hi guys, I'm finally back. But I tell you, I won't be working on a lot of things at one time again and recording because last night I went to try to upload some videos and I had to clear out some space on my tablet and I thought I lost everything. It took me half of the night and most of all today to get those to just try to get one loaded back on to see how it would work. So now I think I know how to put them back on so I can get them loaded. And so guys, I will get these videos out to you all as soon as I can. Now, this first one is just a simple tray that I did because I had to try to get the smallest video on to see if it would work. So enjoy. Please like and subscribe because I got a lot more videos coming this month. Hopefully. They will be coming this month, guys. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get into this video. So guys, this is a tray that I'm making for my bedroom. I purchased it at Dollar Tree and I'm painting it. I had to stop painting it and give it a good sanding because I didn't like the way it was looking in it. But it's going to be painted 2 different colors and it's going to have an epoxy finish in the middle. So let's go ahead and get started with painting it. First I'm taping it. Then I'm using some Apple Barrel Spring Green paint to paint the top, the sides, and the inside. Got me a little bowl to put my paint in. Here we go again. Okay guys, I'm going to finish painting this off camera. Guys, I made a boo-boo. When I was trying to drill the holes for this side for the handles, the first one I didn't have it wide enough. Then I drilled the second one and it was up too far. And I realized, I had to come up with a quick solution. I should have showed you all how I did this, but I did it on camera. Anyway, I had ordered these little thread things. And right after I ordered them, I realized I ordered the wrong size. But, you know, everything happens for a reason because this came in handy today. What I did was just took a bigger drill bit, drilled a hole in there, the size of this, took my rubber mallet and hammered it down in there, took my wood glue and my clamp and put that back together. And now the only thing I got to do is paint over this. I don't have to worry about drilling a hole because the hole is there now. And I think once I paint over it, we'll be just fine. I've got everything sanded and painted all pretty. We're going to put the epoxy in here. I have my resin here that I'm going to pour in here. And sometimes when you get resin, if it's too cloudy, just set it over in some hot water for 15 or 20 minutes, not even that long. And it just makes it clear, so when you put it in, it'll be clear and it won't be cloudy looking. And now we're going to take our little gems and just kind of sprinkle them in. set this to the side to dry. Then after it dries, we're going to come back and add another layer on so none of the gems are sticking up. Okay guys, so I finally got the tray finished. So we're going to go ahead and get the hardware on here. You see I went ahead and painted that. It looks fairly decent. Get this hardware popped on here. Now here's the tray all complete. And you can't really even tell where I made the mistake there. And this tray is a little heavy, guys, because of the resin in it.